YouTube is Neo going back under $4. So thank you guys for tuning into the Life Changing Finances YouTube channel. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. So Neo today is down 4.78%. A lot of people have expressed their feelings about it. So here's what's going on. So this week it's been virtually flat across the board, and there's essentially no volatility, very little economic data that normally would move the markets. In addition to that, you've got a lot of investors that took profits this week, um, and you also have a lot of whales, and these are people that have a lot of money and they just didn't do any trading this week because they didn't want to lose money unnecessarily. So guys have to think over the last couple of weeks, except this one, has been a very volatile week, and many people that have big money make a lot of money when the markets are volatile, right? So they play different strategies like strangles and straddles, essentially betting on both sides of the table. And one way or another, they're going to make money because either it's going to be extreme volatility pushing the stock up or down. And so they're being smart with their money. They're not just hopping in, just being uncautious about it. And so they sat this week out. Okay. Um, then you have to think about it too. You got a lot of short timers coming into Neo. When the good news comes out, people come out of the woodworks and they hop in, they get in, and then they jump right back out. So you have that going on. Now the question is this thing going back under $4? If I would have to guess, I would say probably not. I think it's just a flat week overall. Yeah, at one point this week, I think we were how high were we? Let's see. Yeah, we were up to about $5 and over $6, so about $6.02. And that was when the reports were delivered to us about the exponential growth in deliveries for Neo. Okay, now, Neo is going to be having earnings coming out next month. So it looks like it's going to be sometime between June 7th and June 11th. So you can see right here. If you guys know what the exact date is, let me know in the comments below. I've tried to search for it, but I keep getting date ranges, but not an exact date. So if you could help us out, that would be great. Now, here's what I think over the next 4 weeks, okay, leading um, up to earnings. So next week, I think it's going to be volatile. It's possible we could go under $4. I'm sorry, under $5. I'm sorry, but going under $4, I don't see it. Um, and then the week before earnings, I think it's going to be a nice pump going to the upside, just because the word is going to start to get out. Investors are going to be hopping in because short timers are going to be hopping in because there's going to be hype surrounding the stock. Delivery numbers are good. Things are looking good. So you got people that are going to come out of nowhere and hop in just before earnings. Okay. So you guys have to keep that in mind. Now, as of next week, I think that we have CPI numbers coming out in the U.S. and we also have PPI numbers coming out, and so those are going to be market movers. And like I said, it's possible we could go under $5 next week, depending on what those numbers are. But that's not a bad thing. Anytime Neo goes under $5, I'm buying more. Okay, if it goes under, if it for some reason it were to go under $4, guess what? I'm buying more. I'm not, gonna be sad that my overall average is down. Um, it's just an opportunity to buy more. Now, if things turn out well this week, this upcoming week, I can see us for the early part of the week getting back to $5.30. If CPI numbers come out better than expected, will probably come back up to about 575. That's just kind of what I see. That's the kind of power that economic data has. Okay, so that's kind of the level that I'm looking at. I think there will be more people coming in and buying because they're going to be afraid that they're going to miss out for the next bull cycle for Neo, which could potentially be next month. Okay, so that's what I got for you guys today. Stay strong. You know, stick to your strategies, whatever you're doing. Don't be discouraged if you're dollar cost averaging. Don't be discouraged if you buy large chunks at a time. Just be patient, and we're gonna win in the end. All right. So I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and we're out, guys. Peace.